Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Sign into your Xbox One console profile before you begin the removal process. Check which profile includes your Xbox 360 account and confirm the signed-in Microsoft account. Backup important games saves to the cloud or an external drive before removing anything. Make sure your Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass subscriptions are noted for potential transfer or cancellation. Allocate about 30 seconds to gather account passwords and 2 minutes to verify saved. Press the Xbox button to open the guide and navigate to settings. Choose Account, then select Remove Accounts to list local profiles on the console. Highlight the Xbox 360 profile that you want to delete and select Remove to remove it from the Xbox One locally. Confirm the removal when prompted to erase saved credentials and local data. After removal, restart the console to ensure the profile cache clears and the change applies across system menus. Removing the profile from the console does not permanently close the underlying Microsoft account. To permanently delete the account, sign and add account. Microsoft. Calm and follow the close account process. Microsoft places the account in a 60-day grace period before permanent deletion. Unsync cloud saves and sign out from other devices to avoid lost access during closure. If you change your mind, you can recover the closed Microsoft account within the 60-day window by signing back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.